Hi guys, this is Marley Espinales back again to share with you 5 steps you can follow to help your business find loyal and more importantly engage followers using Instagram, who you can then move down your Instagram sales funnel to generate actual revenue for your business. Now, it's really important that you stick it out to the end of the video so you can soak in all 5 steps and learn how they will help your overall marketing and business strategy. At the end of this video, I will also be talking about a bonus tool that I have for you and that you can use to help you get more organized with your Instagram posting. If you have any questions or would like to know any further information regarding any of the steps I mentioned in this video, just leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer. When I talk about an Instagram sales funnel, I mean having a strategy to not only acquire followers, but gain the right ones and get them off Instagram to convert into actual paying customers. You have the top of your sales funnel, the middle, and the bottom. The steps that I will go over in this video will focus more on the top of the funnel. So how do we find these people? Well, we'll start with step 1, which is to focus on refining your target market as much as possible. Simply put, get clear on who it is you're trying to target. If you are talking to everyone, just know that you are really talking to no one. So get specific and stop trying to please everyone. Once you figure this out, who you're trying to reach, you can then learn to better understand who they are, what problems they have or may be facing, and learn how to better connect with them through this channel. Step 2, understand your followers' engagement patterns. Take some time to look through your followers' feeds on Instagram, Facebook, and even Twitter. Check out who they are following, what kind of content they engage with more often, and even what hashtags they use on their posts. This kind of intel can give you a better understanding of not only how to curate better posts, better content for your own profile, but how and where to find more people like them and get them to follow you. Step 3 is to create consistently. In order to generate a good following and engagement rate, you have to create and curate compelling content on a consistent basis. This doesn't mean that you should go posting 3 to 5 times a day. Forget about that. Instead, post on your feed once a day, a few times a week. Just make sure that the image quality is high, the content is of you and your team, and your business. Stay away from stock images. Your captions tell a story, showcase a benefit, something of value for your followers, as well as something personal. Share something behind the scenes that you might be going through that will connect with them. But more importantly, stay consistent with it. With this content creator mindset, you'll begin to attract more of your target users. Step 4 is to confirm that your profile explains clearly who you are. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Tell people exactly who you are, what you do, why they should follow you, and a link to your website or landing page with a special offer. This is important for the bottom of your funnel, which is what you'll get, where you'll get to actually convert your followers into actual paying customers. So keep that in mind. Step 5, the secret sauce to finding these loyal and engaged followers is to engage more than you post. I've said this before in other videos, and I'm going to repeat it again here today. Think about your ideal client, search for them, follow them, engage with them. This not only means liking their posts, but taking it a step further by commenting, sending them direct messages, and responding to their stories. Make yourself stand out and show them that you are paying attention and care about their feed as well. These actions catch people's attention, who will in turn take the time to engage with you on your feed. What's key to remember is that having an engaged follower really doesn't have much to do with Instagram itself. It's all about you. People buy from businesses that they know and trust, so gain their trust. And it's important to remember that that doesn't happen overnight. So don't give up if you see just slow momentum at the beginning. It'll build up. You have to be consistent with it. You have to find a way to connect with a complete stranger on social media platform whose problem you can help with through a process that teaches and inspires them to want to invest in you. And that takes time to grow and to curate. Now, don't go wasting countless hours obsessing over the perfect picture or caption. Planning and organization is going to be key, and helping you not spend so much time on Instagram. So plan and curate your content in advance. Schedule it so it leaves you with a better state of mind to engage, which is why I have a little bonus for you. In the link below within my description, you can download our Instagram scheduling template to help you get organized. It outlines planning 2 months at a time, where you should focus and curate your posts around a central theme, a central campaign. You'll have columns for your dates, topics, captions, links, images, result tracking, and so forth. The result tracking is going to be very important because you can do A/B testing, and you can then improve upon your posting schedule and how you curate your posts to reach your followers more accurately and have them engage with you more. Now, when you first see the template, it might be a little overwhelming, but it's important that you put it into practice. If you set your mentality to, I just don't have time for this right now, then you won't become successful at leveraging Instagram to be a money-making tool for your business. There's always going to be something else. So shift your mentality and make time for it. Or if you think, I can just post daily, it's not like it takes me long, then you are missing out on the whole point of this. It's about planning with purpose and getting the most you can out of the time you do have to spend on Instagram. Not only will it help you learn more about the platform, but more importantly, how to better connect and when to better connect with your followers to keep them engaged. Once this planning stage is done, you can then schedule them for automatic posting, and then take 15 to 20 minutes out of your day to focus on engagement and engage with intent to begin growing your online community. But there you have it, guys, the 5 steps to help you find loyal and engaged followers for the top of your sales funnel, and a bonus kit for your business. So don't forget to download it. It's in the link below in our description. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button right below. This lets me know that you enjoyed the content and I should do more of this. Also, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe so you can get notifications whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer. Till next time.